Open the Unity Hub and select your project. Please wait. Just a few seconds. So in this video I will add environment, then the game is more realistic. Open the Low Poly Environment Pack and open the Prefabs folder and select Terrain 2. I can set it. Duplicate the Terrain 2. The Duplicate Keyboard key Ctrl +D. And again duplicate the Terrain 2 and set it. So the three terrains duplicate and set in opposite direction. So is your choice, then your game is more realistic. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me WhatsApp channel. Watch my previous video and learn the Unity 6 game development. Let's play the game. As you can say, the game environment is realistic. Stop the game, and all decoration things drag and drop the environment folder. So the next video I will add player model and animations. Let's save the project. Bye-bye.